So I'm preparing for the shoot mentally and physically, and then you don't show up. Now all that is wasted. So now my cup just got wasted. Like I put water into a cup with no label on it, bro. So now I don't have anything to like. I mean, I do though. I always do. I still do. That's me. That is me. But like, you still can't get past the human part of yourself that actually wants them to do better, or that wants the best to happen. Because that's still that human part of me that's like, bro, I know that this client is not gonna act right or do this right, but you don't want the moment that you expect the worst out of them be the time that they actually do the best. Like you're expecting the at most worst. Like, they're gonna be late. Like, I think they're gonna be late. I've had a time having me late, like me before. Like, I'm like, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be late. They haven't texted me back yet, and then they text and go outside. I'm like, oh shit. Well, you didn't text me and let me know that you came. Like, how are you outside? You see what I'm saying? So it's shit like that with clients too. Like you're expecting the worst out of them, but then they fuck around and prove you wrong. So it's kind of like a heavy medium between the two. But then again, if I had 0 clients, I wouldn't be having to expect shit out of nobody. So that's what my mindset is too. Is like, if I didn't have any, come on, all I gotta do is, I got it. That's what I'm saying, bro. So all I gotta do is expect out of me. So let's say, for example, and then the better part about that too is like, I have clients hit me up about like, oh, hey, Taxi, are you traveling anywhere this month? We want to send you some stuff. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm going to New York. Like, okay, we're gonna send you some gloves. It should be colder around that time. We're gonna send you some photography gloves for you to use. That's lit. You know what I'm saying? And that's me focusing on me still. You know what I'm saying? I'm making these brands proud. They're giving me the stuff to be able to use, and I'm becoming a partner with them, getting closer, building a relationship. You know what I'm saying? For lasting longevity. But what do you do, familiar? It's your boy Tyson PNG. We're back at it again with another man. So today we're doing a nice little lovey-dovey Valentine's vibe, I guess. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the process, the behind the scenes, the vibes, and kind of everything, and just kind of tell you guys how I got my lighting set up, how I'm posing these 2 individuals, and anything else that y'all want to know. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any more things you want me to do for the future with couples, because you guys have been begging me to get 2 people in here. I've been doing a lot of singles, a lot of solos, but now I need a little bit more duos. So I'm giving you what you're asking for. Let's do it. Oh, let me see. I'm testing my lighting out. So I'm playing around with my lighting, you guys. Just seeing exactly what I'm going to be doing first. Right now I have the A light set to 16, so 1/16 power. This backlight is also 1/16 power. This right here is at 1/8. This is going to be my key light for the day. I'm going to be moving that around as needed. So I'm wanting to look kind of drastic. I'm going for that like kind of like, I don't want to say old school vibe, but they have jerseys on, so it's kind of giving me like a grainy vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like I wanted to be kind of like, you know, aesthetically pleasing but still sharp. So I'm going to be having a high f-stop, you guys. I'm at f6 currently. And my shutter right now, well, f6.3. My shutter is at 250 and my ISO is 100. I'm going to kind of play around here. Let me see. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. I got you. All right, I got this backlight right here. I'm gonna literally do a side light setup, you guys. Instead of having it fully backlit, I'm gonna fully side light them and see how this cross light setup looks. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. Oh, one more. 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, bet. Okay, so now I'm gonna move this over just a little bit so now it hits both of our subjects. I'm gonna move her camera so they can see her. There we go. And then now, as you guys see, this light right here is gonna be acting as my main light. Currently, how they're coming out, I just want him to be a little bit more lit, so I move that light over just a little piece. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do a tester one more. Tester one more. And I'm gonna up my ISO 1. So what we're doing here, the reason why I'm going through the lighting so much is because we have a lighter tone and a darker tone. You have both of them in the same frame, so you have to get a medium. You have to catch the middle. You have to get your lighting to where it can match between the middle. So you don't want to have it too bright to where it washes out her skin color, and you don't want to have it too dark to where it darkens his skin color too much, okay? So you guys are going to play around with it just as such. So I'm going to have my ISO at 160, and then my F and everything is still the same, my settings. So boom, I think I got it good. Hold on, let me see, one more. Okay, yeah, bet. Okay, so 5500 Kelvin. Before she was looking a little orange, like a tangerine, but we had to bring that back. So you have to get your white balance right. White balance when it comes to skin tones, and especially when being in studio, you want to make sure that you get that right, because if you do not get that right, you will have a nightmare. Okay. Sure. All right, let me see. Oh wow. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that in videos, bro. Like, hey, the way shit going on right now, bro. She said, yeah, whisper it to him. I heard it. I was like, let me just morph what I'm saying. Let me see, tester. Okay, yep, got it. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all first before I show them. So always a rule of thumb, you guys, get a fire shot before you show your subject. If you show them too soon, you're gonna look an ass photographer. So if I take a picture and it's ass and I come show it to them, they're gonna be like, oh, can I don't like how you don't even want them to have that thought in their mind because they already say, I don't like how now you gotta try to redeem your damn self. You don't want them problems, all right? So take a fire shot that you like. Now when you show it to them, they're gonna like it too because they chose you for a reason. See? So I want to see Oompa Loompa you. This is Oompa Loompa you.
Oh my god, but it's kind of cute.
I know, but I didn't like it.
Okay.
See, look, this better. Cause I can still bring that back if I wanted, but I just didn't like that it was already like that. You know what I'm saying? Testers? Yes. Are we doing testers? Yes. I got my Telesin POV mount, y'all. Oh, it's actually hard. Yeah,
I'm envisioning all
an exaggerative lean though. You gotta like have an exaggerative lean. There we go. Oh, that's actually hard. Oh, let me see. I'm about to figure out if I like this or not. I'm not gonna lie, that sucks. You're too parabola. Like,
just stand straight.
stop being a parabola. Stand straight and fall. Like, fall back to bruh. Straighten your body up. You're doing this because you're scared to fall. So come on, bam, just hit him. Yeah, you're good. He's a wall. There you go, like that. Drop your hands a bit. Yeah, drop them. You're holding them to your side. I could tell. There we go. Yeah, yep. Hold that right there. I'm gonna move my light over you guys a little bit so I can cast it all up on the side of him. So I have this light here. So this light is going to come all up on his side, and she has her personal light as well that's gonna be lighting her. So you want to make sure that you set it up as needed. What the fuck I'm looking at? Hi, maybe. Yeah, I like that. Hold that. Get creative, you guys. Get creative with it. Okay, get creative with it. Oh, don't be boring. Yeah, there you go. Hold it. That's hard. It's hard. That look down. Yep. I'm gonna do this one again. I want this again. I'm gonna have to bring it out over more though. Okay. But I want that again. Yep. Okay, so I want that same one. So I'm gonna have you turn that way. Turn right directly around, just like that. And you're gonna come right here, just like that, and do that lean once again. And kind of like on some low key, like pull on your necklace with that left hand, like lightly. Just fingers, like this, but like stretch your hands out so you're like, yeah, like that. And you're gonna look over at me. So get back up. Lay your hair down. Go ahead, lay down now. There you go, because it was pushing up. There you go, boom, good. Mindset. Yep, there you go. Right here, eye contact. Macho, turn your head to the right, just like that. Yep, right there, just like that. Hold, yep. One more, hold. Jules, eye contact. Yep. One more, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Look up that way, yeah. So you're gonna look up that way. And turn your head over more this way. Boom. And you're gonna look up that way. Yep. Like that. Hold.
That's small. Yes.
The green looks good on the brown too.
Yeah. I said that.
It's the eyes.
I said that. What else are you thinking? Because I know you sounded like you had it all in your mind.
I want to sit. I'm thinking. I don't remember which one I said.
Hands down. Hit him in the commissary. I know nothing was necessary. Fuck that. It was necessary. Just roll it around town, trying to bop. I know y'all like different angles. I'm sorry. I got y'all. I'm gonna give y'all one. I'm gonna be y'all over here. Y'all like this? Oh, it's hard. Do an exaggerative like how he's doing. He's being very exaggerative with his face. So exaggerate like be real exaggerative. There you go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. One more, yeah. Let me think. Necessary. Yeah. Yeah.
Like with this
arm
or with this
No, that hand. This one. Nigga, turn it back the other way. No. There we go.
Okay.
Yep, foot 2. Come on. Y'all got this. Called balance. There we go. Yep. There you go. That's cute too. We can see faces. There you go. Hard. Hold it. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Open your eyes a little bit, bro. Do it again. His eye like this. I'm like, bro. So you got it. 3, 2, yeah. Okay, if you guys ever want to do a shot like this, like some crazy scream stuff, it usually helps when they're actually yelling at each other. So when they actually yell, it helps out a lot more because you get the real facial expression. So I'm gonna get one where I have them yelling at each other. I'm gonna get the test shot first. Hold on, let me make sure I got the lighting right. So you're gonna do this twice. Back up a little bit. Back up this way, Macho. Boom, right there. Now get closer. So what I want is the mindset is it's a lean It's not just a it's a lean You know what I'm saying? All right. So tester, you don't gotta actually do it. I'm gonna take one real quick. Let me see. Hold it. One more. All right. Ready? 3, 2. We're actually screaming, you guys. Okay? I own this place. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. One more. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Y'all some head asses.
I'm laughing too much. Nah. I'm having too much fun. I can't cap. Nah, facts.
That's cute. We love that.
All right, now we can do your sitting down vibe. It's gonna be a funny ass reel. I'm gonna text you. You had them screaming at each other? Yeah, I did. Yeah. That's how we do things around here. Anything for the shot. So many opportunities for so much other apps because Flip's been around since 2021. Crazy, right?
Yeah.
But the last 2 weeks it gained like tremendous buzz because TikTok went down, and then one creator came out talking about it, and that video went viral. And now people are starting to use it, and it's already been out though. So now it's like it's just ramping up. So I'm like, bro, if we're founders on that bit, like it's still new. So like if we're founders and we're really getting the cheese before the flood come, like how TikTok was. When I first started on TikTok, I made $1,000 easy. Now it's hard to make it. You know what I'm saying? Because it flooded. So it's like imagine if we could be the founders and get that cheese early. But that app's insane. But that app's insane. All right, you guys. So they're on the floor now. So basically, what I had to do is I had to lower all of my lights. I kept that top light up there because that's just the light that's gonna be it's just filler. Okay. These 2 lights are my main lights, my back light and my front light. This one's on the side. This one's on the front. Ready? So let me go ahead and see. I'm gonna literally just going down. My F is still at 7.1. My ISO is at 100. I'm gonna take a tester. Pulling the light a little bit closer to you guys. Tester. One more. Hold it. Let me see. Going to my ISO to 160. Okay, yeah, bet. All right, we're good. So this is how the tester came out, you guys. And the lighting looks nice, exactly how I want it to look for me to be able to lay over that grain and play with one of my presets. All right, bet. Softer facial expressions. Yeah, there we go. Yes, there we go. One more, yep. Look at her while she looks at me. So look at her like, damn, and then you're gonna look at me like, This happens every time. Is this TikTok?
Yeah, Instagram.
Does that save when it does that? I don't know what the hell I'm capturing right now, but I'm capturing it.
I don't know what I am.
Yeah, then getting them out, you gotta.
Yeah. I hate doing that shit.
All right, let's see. Look at her while she looks at me. There we go. Add a little bit more bend in your arm. Arms too straight. Look at her more sensually. What do you mean by that? Okay, it looks like you're just like, you know what I'm saying? Be like also like damn, like you know what I'm saying? Like on some damn shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there you go, like that. Yeah, there we go. One more, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. All right, bet you're good.
What do you mean by that?
Let him cook.
What do you mean by that?
Let him cook.
Oh, obviously detail shots, but.
Oh, boy, he's nice.
I mean, what were you gonna do though? Isn't that supposed to be on this side?
What?
That bang's supposed to be
that.
Oh, what the hell are you talking about then?
The flyaway.
Oh, shut up.
You know I'm like
I'm not
real
worried about
particular
that.
about my hair.
I think you're talking about that damn ear poking out. That bit do look like a little.
Okay, one thing about it you're
That's
not gonna do.
insane,
No, that is cool. Don't do me.
type shit.
Wait, leave
What
my
the fuck
ear.
are you talking about? All right, I'm sorry.
We're talking about my
No,
girl.
I
okay?
know.
These are nice.
Insane ass.
No, they are.
You want to lay like across his legs or sit? Because lay is crazy.
Like I don't know.
There we go. Yeah, cradle. You want to be cradled. When you're gripping, don't grip too hard because it's gonna wrinkle up her pants. Yeah, there you go. It's like caress. There you go. Yeah, like that. There you go. Take fucking notes, cause I don't even be catching myself doing it, but I know damn well I'm hard. So yeah, cause who's worrying about that much detail? Nobody. So I'm giving y'all the game, cuz. I'm giving y'all the game. Take my terminology if you want to. I don't care, but just the details. Get y'all a rolly chair too. That'd be tough. All right. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. You got it. Your knee what hurt?
No, I said I want to lean.
Okay, bet. There you go. One more. Yes, there you go. Bring your arm in a little bit more. Boom, 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 boom. Elbow. Arm out. Elbow in. Head up. Over. Head over. There you go. Hold it. Yeah, there you go. Yes, there you go. One more. Shut the fuck up. There you go. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Look at each other. Oh, go back. Hand, knee. Hand on her hand on the knee. He had his hand on your hand. There you go. Hold it.
These are giving graduation picture like vibes. That is fine.
Yeah, the cheekbone was cheekboning. I don't know what you was
cheekbone
doing
is
inside of your mouth. No homo.
Who, me?
Yeah, cause you like when they do like that, your tongue be at your roof of your mouth, but like the cheekbone was like that's like
Be
a
good
hack.
at that face.
That's
yeah.
a hack. Yeah.
Smooth. That's smooth.
Bet. We can go to the next one. Yeah.
Pay for every thought, babe. You don't even know what this shit costs, babe. I
Yeah,
say you
Lord.
don't even know what I done spent for what I bought, babe. I know I'm the one lately who
People
been
blind.
fucking up your
Ain't
thoughts,
better
babe.
choose
So
wisely.
you know I gotta make you pay for every thought, babe. I'ma come through at my touch like salt, babe. Don't believe them other hoes, cause tell the truth, they want your spot, babe. She say I could get a love, but it's gon' cost me. You could keep it, I don't need it. Lately, I've been feeling bossy. She talking about love, but what is that? That's what she lost. Just try go round for round, I beat her back like Ronda Rousey. I'ma pay the tab, cause tell the truth, that shit ain't cost. All I know is cheesy got me feeling like a mousey.